our offices, homes, and where we socialize. Poorly maintained air conditioning units contribute to respiratory illnesses, viruses, and disease. Ease these concerns with our low-pressure and non-toxic solution, Sanoflow. Disinfect far more thoroughly whilst deterring the growth of microbacterial contamination. On top of the health benefits, you can also look forward to increased unit efficiency and reduced costs. Sanoflow by Sanondaf.